The Arrow and SureTech partnership utilized inputs and technology from analog devices to bring to market an easy way to add conditional-based monitoring to companies developing Industry 4.0 products. Your entire process can be much simpler thanks to iCOMOX from SureTech Solutions. iCOMOX stands for Intelligent Condition Monitoring Box. It allows you to measure vibration, magnetic fields, temperature, and sound right out of the box, which can minimize your downtime, maximize your productivity, and reduce your overall costs. iCOMOX comes in 3 different connectivity types, so you can choose the one that works best for your particular application, or any combination of the 3, providing flexibility to mix and match with a common development interface. For starters, there's iCOMOX SmartMesh IP, or SMIP. If you're trying to protect industrial assets in a crowded indoor environment, iCOMOX SMIP wireless mesh technology is for you. In a major manufacturing plant, for instance, there are all sorts of obstacles to deal with, like catwalks, ceilings, doors, and even people. This can cause serious interference with wireless radio signals and introduce multipath fading. To overcome this problem, SmartMesh utilizes a network of low-bandwidth nodes to provide redundant paths, synchronization within tens of microseconds, and 99.999% reliability guaranteed. If your application is both indoors and out, like an oil refinery, turn to the iCOMOX Narrow Bandwidth IoT, or NB-IoT. While line of sight is required, NB-IoT piggybacks on the LTE networks and uses their guard band to limit frequency interference. Here, long distance is no problem, and no additional equipment other than a SIM card is required. Finally, if it's high bandwidth data you want to analyze, consider using the iCOMOX Power over Ethernet, or PoE. Monitoring a highly sensitive MRI machine in a hospital would be a prime example. While the distance of your Ethernet cable does max out at about 100 meters, that one cable connection can provide power and data. No matter which version you choose, all 3 iCOMOX options enable you to perform in-depth data analytics at the node or in the cloud. So if you're ready to institute condition-based monitoring for your operation or customer, iCOMOX is an open-source, low-risk place to start. Plus, Arrow Electronics and SureTech provide you with all the support and engineering resources you need. For more details about what each iCOMOX technology can do for you, go to arrow.com/iCOMOX.